In this video, we'll briefly illustrate how to add a weight field as an attribute in a shapefile to then assign that weight in a kernel density estimation using the kernel density tools built into Saga. In the example here, I have a point distribution, and every point illustrates one single event, in this case, a disease outbreak. If we launch the kernel density estimation box and we look at the shapefile that I want to perform kernel density on, we can see here that by default a weight is being selected. And notice here we have to select one of the fields available in the attribute table. Because I don't have a weight field, by default it's going to select that first field, which in this particular shapefile is ID, and that's a numerical value. That means that by default, this analysis, if I were to perform it as is, would assign that ID value as a numerical weight. So the higher the ID number, the larger the weight that point would have in the calculation. And that's inappropriate when every point is equal to one outbreak event. To overcome this, we're going to create a weight field by right-clicking, Open Attribute Table, navigating to the field calculator, which looks like an abacus, and then using the field calculator to create a new field with an output name of weight. And because every point in this data set has a value of 1, I can simply type that value. And now I have a new weight field with a value of 1. I can now save that edit, and if I want to, I can also turn the editing off. If I return to the kernel density and the fields, notice I now have a weight field that I can assign. I could then go on to populate my kernel density estimation with the parameters that I need and perform the analysis.